Namaste. In this video, we are going to evaluate this integral integration tan inverse 6x cube and 18x to the power 4 divided by 36x to the power 8 plus x squared dx. So I is equal to integration here tan inverse 6x cube, this thing multiply with 18x to the power 4 and 36x to the power 8 plus x square dx. So integration here, numerator write as it is tan inverse 6x cube multiply with 18x to the power 4, and here in the denominator we can take common x square. So here left 36x to the power 6 plus 1 dx. Integration here tan inverse 6 6x cube, this one, and this x square, this one, and x to the power 4 cancel. Oh, here 18. Okay, so here 18 and this cancel, so we get x square here, and here in the denominator this 36 we can write 6 square, and x to the power 6 we can write x cube and then square. So 6x cube is square. Okay, 6 square is 36 and x cube then square, so we get x to the power 6 plus 1 or 1 square. Okay, dx. Now here this 6x cube same thing. Okay, so put here 6x cube is t. When we differentiate, so we get 6 times 3, 18 x square dx is equal to dt, and we get this one exactly, this 18x square dx. Okay, then I is equal to integration tan inverse 6x cube, we can write t, and this is t square plus 1, and this is dt. Okay, now here this tan inverse t we can put u. Okay, so when we differentiate we get 1 upon t square plus 1 dt is equal to du. So now I is equal to integration this tan inverse t we can put u, and this 1 upon t square plus 1 dt, like this one is du. We use here this integration formula, x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So u is square because here power 1 and 1 plus 1 2. So u is square upon 2 plus c. Now u value we can substitute tan inverse t. So this is tan inverse t square divided by 2 plus c. And what is t value? T value was this one, 6x cube. So tan inverse t value 6x cube this whole square, okay, divided by 2 plus c, and this is our final answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.